Traditionally, a lithophane is a very thin piece of porcelain etched with a design that can only be clearly seen when backlit. We're going to use a built-in feature of FlashPrint 5 that will allow us to import an original photograph that you've taken and convert that photograph into a 3D printable model, which, when backlit, will create the lithophane effect. In FlashPrint, we'll import an original photo. Click Open. We have some options here. We can choose the shape of a plane, a flat plane, or a sphere, or a tube, or a canister, lamp, or seal. We'll stick with plane. The dimensions default to the largest size that the print bed can handle, and lithophanes work best the larger they are, but they also take a very long time to print. So for a test piece, I'm going to change the depth dimension to 50. And you can see that the width automatically changed to accommodate that depth. And I'm going to choose OK. And you can see I have a much smaller model here. As always, I'm going to click Move on Platform and Center, and move again to make sure that it's flat on the build plate. Now I'll click Start Slicing, keep the default settings, and click Slice. Click Slice Preview. We can see that this print will take 46 minutes. It's on a raft, which is fine. That will peel off easily. So now I'll save this file to my USB drive, plug the drive into the machine, and start the print in the same way that we started our previous prints up to this point. And once the print is done, we'll see what we get. For the lithophane model, I'm going to use the translucent red filament that came with my printer. With lithophanes, generally speaking, lighter color filaments work best. So white is really good, or any light colored translucent filament, translucent light green, or translucent yellow, or red in this case, should produce a decent effect. And here's the finished print. Doesn't look like anything special in its natural form, but if you hold it up to the light, you can see you get a lithophane type effect. This isn't working particularly well with this print because it's small, and also it's not very bright out. But you can see the difference as I raise it from not backlit to backlit. Here in my office, where the lights are brighter, you can see the effect a little better.